phone one doesn't want to work. Fracking phone. Fail!
10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Colorado: Becca, Bent, Cheyenne, Crowley, El severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Fremont County and central Colorado, south central El Paso County and east central Colorado, northwestern Pueblo County and southeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Penrose, or 21 miles northwest of Pueblo, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fountain and Pueblo West. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Fremont County and central Colorado, south central El Paso County and east central Colorado, northwestern Pueblo County and southeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Penrose, or 21 miles northwest of Pueblo, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors
Oh
will
my
be injured.
gosh.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
What is going on here?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service thunderstorm was located near Walsenburg, or 18 miles east of Springburn and Scar north of Highway 160, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour.
Oh my god, what is going on here? Oh my gosh.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
This is
Expect
non-stop.
wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walsenburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This thing is gonna go viral. Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for south central El Paso County and east central Colorado, north central Pueblo County and southeastern Colorado until 4:45 p.m. At 4:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hanover, or 21 miles north of Pueblo. caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south-central El Paso and north-central Pueblo counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The flash flood warning remains
Doubleheader.
in effect until 5:15 p.m. for southwestern El Paso County. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Huerfano County in southeastern Colorado, north-central Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado, south-central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 miles east of Greenhorn Mountain to 6 miles east of Walsenburg, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of north-central Los Animas and south-central Pueblo counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm